The study of sport and exercise science plays a crucial role in understanding human body and performance. At Regent College London, our Bachelor of Science honours in Sport and Exercise Science provides an in-depth exploration of the scientific principles that underpin physical activity, athletic performance, and well-being. Throughout the course, students will engage with key disciplines including biomechanics, physiology, and psychology. This multidisciplinary approach equips graduates with the knowledge and practical skills required to work in elite sport, health promotion, sport performance assessment, and research. Our teaching is led by experienced academics and industry professionals, ensuring that students gain insights from both research and real-world practice. Additionally, access to specialist equipment and practical training allows for hands-on learning in areas such as performance analysis, exercise prescription, and injury prevention. If you're ready to take the next step in your academic and professional journey, we invite you to explore the opportunities available at RCL.